your feet hurt. You walking like your feet hurt.
She walking like her feet hurt.
Them hills are so little.
Yeah, we in Dallas, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all can see. We in the D. Trying to find a second location, I guess. That's where we finna be. Hope. Like, for real. She posted a second location address. I was on my way back to the first location, and then I looked up and she posted a second location. So second location is different from the first location. So we on our way to the first location, and then yeah. So see how when we get to the first location. I mean the second location. Sorry. Second location acquired. Yes, sir. We in beautiful downtown. I'm hearing animals. We already lit. New location, beautiful background sets and all that. We got the animals and shit. You know I love the animals. Man, that McLaren. You got a smoke bomb in the tire. Right that bitch. LA encouragements, man. You already know LA encouragements. I'm sorry. What can I say, man? What can I say, man? LA encouragements. Yes, sir. LA encouragements, man. LA encouragements. I'm sorry. That nigga ran off the damn curb. ride that bitch. Just don't hit the pole, please. Don't hit the pole. Don't hit the pole. Yes, sir. Hey, don't hit nobody car, please. Let's go. Who's next? Y'all out? Miss SRT Bree in the building. Yes, sir. We lit. Miss SRT Bree.
What's going on?
Poppin'.
What's going on?
Yes, sir. She's got the pictures. You know how they go. That motherfucker hit me with a goddamn rock. Yes, sir. So yeah, I don't know. We might. I don't know about going over there though. Just this bitch is lit right here. You already know, man. We swangers in these. This motherfucker here, boys. Hell no. Can't even see the motherfucking car. Man, this shit. I'm still getting the feel of this whole YouTube shit, man. Y'all know that, man. These boys done rolled in deep. Boy, switched up parking lots over there quick though. the real right there. Get over to burn out in the parking lot, in the parking spot. I mean. These motherfuckers here, man. Boy, man.
They always look smaller in person.
It's all green. I did not know my camera, my flash was on. It's all green and shit. Baby.
See, I be looking at travel channels and stuff. Yeah. So I be on the
That shit clean. Them lights is
no,
clean.
go banana.
That's what I want on my truck. Like lights and shit. Lights.
Go banana.
I want lights on my truck.
Motherfucking time. My wife, yeah. And that's like the fourth or fifth time. What you mean the third time?
I'm not giving credit. Hey, it don't matter. Hey, y'all, excuse me. It's only this. That's all it is. That's all it is. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, once back you took. Oh, my wife. Hey, let me put my hand over this. They need to pay me. You gotta pay me. Don't put me on blast like that, bro. I know that.
Put yourself on blast.
Bro, it don't matter as long as I watch that channel.
You right, you right. You right.
You like to watch that channel?
It pops up, I click on. You know what I'm saying? People with cars, they all. My nigga Bell on the camera, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my dog Bell on that camera thing.
Yeah, something biting me, trying to bite me. I don't know. But I don't like it.
She said something trying to bite me. I don't know.
Ain't nobody doing nothing right now.
No.
That would have been a bad part. We would have walked up.
I don't even know where he went. Look at that Challenger. I mean that Charger.
Yeah, I see it.
Let's go.
Huh?
I think they about to go.
I got to go. Did she see the color?
Yeah.
She get in her car.
Yeah, let's go.